Hi all, today let's see how we can create a Java project in IntelliJ. Go to File, click on New Project. So on the top left choose Java, and here you can choose the different versions of Java. So right now I'm choosing Java 1.8. So library it's not required. Next, click on Next. So this is like if we want to use any specific templates, existing templates, then we can leverage the existing templates. If not, just go ahead and click on Next. My first Java project. Click on Finish. Yeah, let's open a new window. If you open this window, this project gonna close and a new one will open. So instead of that, I'm gonna open a new one. Okay, so once the project is created, here you will see the source directory. So on the source directory, let's go ahead and create a new package. Right click, new, select package, com Java basics. So I have created my package. Now let's go ahead and create a Java class. Let's call it as hello world. So once the Java project is created, we have created the Java package, and now we have created a Java class. Now let's go ahead and write the main method. So for writing the main method, IntelliJ IntelliSense is very much helpful. So just type main and do control space or command space if you're on Mac, and click on enter. So yeah, it will write all your main method. Now let's go ahead and write a sysout. So if we are using Eclipse or STS, so the shortcut was like sysout, whereas in IntelliJ it is sout. So that's gonna create the system.out.println. This is my first Java class. So let me write hello world. This is my first Java class. So IntelliJ automatically saves your file. So no need to save, no need to use the command S or control S. So it will be automatically saved. So if you want to run the Java class, so just click on this triangle button here. So here you can see the run hello world.main method. If you want to debug, then you can select the debug. So there's another shortcut here. You can use control shift R. So let me run this. Okay, so the program has compiled and it has run, and this is our output. Now let's go ahead and write simple methods, or let's build a calculator class. So now let me build a calculator class. This is a simple calculator. So let's add two functionalities. One is add and one is subtract, and we can add multiplication also. So public calculator, sum of two numbers, it's going to return an integer. So let's call it as add int a int b. So it's going to return the sum of these two numbers, return a plus b. And now let's create another method or another behavior to this class, and it's subtraction. Let's call it as int subtraction sub int a comma int b, return a minus b. Next, let's go ahead and create multiplication. So multiply int a comma int b. So return a multiplied by b. Now we can select this class and we can remove the unused imports, and we can use the formatting. The other thing is, if you go to the top of the menu, there you'll see code, and the another option you'll see is reformat code. So it has reformatted. The shortcut for that one is reformat code is option command L. And if you want to use or if you want to remove the unused imports, it's optimized imports, so that is control option O. And for reformatting the code, it is option command L. Okay, so now we have created the calculator class. Now let's let's create another class called calculator implementation, IMPL. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a main method, and here let's create an object of calculator. So this is my calculator object. So class is equal to reference name equal to new of the class name. So this is how we can create a new object, and to call the calculator different methods or different behaviors in this class. So it's a reference class reference dot add. If you would like to use the add, so this is how we have to use calculator dot add, and here we can pass 4 comma 5 integer. So 4 plus 5, it should return 9. So let's assign this to a variable. So this is sum, let's call it as sum. Now let's go ahead and print that sum to the output. Sum of A. What is A? Instead of calling it as A, so let's call, we did not define A, so let's define A as 4, and let's define B as 5, and here let's change this to A comma B. Okay, now sum of A and sum of A and B. So this is B. Yes, let's print the sum. So sum of A, whatever we define here, which is 4, sum of B, define it as 5, and this is the output we are printing. So the output is coming from the calculator class, where we are passing A as A and B as 4 comma 5. Similarly, let's do the subtraction. So int sub is equal to calculator dot sub. So let's pass B comma A. So 5 minus 4, which is 1. So I'm gonna pass B comma A. So I'm passing, that means I'm passing 5 comma 4. Now let's go ahead and copy this guy, and subtraction of 5 comma 4 is, this is sub. Similarly, let's do the multiplication. So what do we call multiplication? Multiplied, okay, or product. Yeah, product is a good name. So in product is equal to A, sorry, not A, calculator dot multiply. So here I'm just passing A comma B. So product, the output of multiply is assigned to product. Now here let's paste this guy. So product of A and B is product. Now let's go ahead and run this class. So before that, let's see if there is any room for formatting the code. So command A or control A to select the entire class, and to format on the Mac machine, it's option command L. So formatted, the code is formatted. Now let's go ahead and run it. So here the shortcut here is, now let me use a shortcut. So this is option, sorry, not option, this is control shift R. So let me go ahead and use that, control shift R. So the class is building. Yeah, sum of 4 and 5 is 9, subtraction of 5 and 4 is 1, product of 4 and 5 is 20. Nice. So friends, that's it for today. So let's connect, I'll come back with another new video. Thank you, bye.